Welcome to Tan Tung Tin, a trusted factory direct manufacturer from Vietnam specializing in wholesale wooden cutting boards for global importers, distributors, and private label brands. If you're looking for a reliable wooden cutting board manufacturer, you've come to the right place. As a professional wooden cutting board supplier, we manufacture premium wooden cutting boards using carefully selected teak, rubberwood, and acacia hardwood. Our factory produces a complete range of kitchen cutting boards, wood chopping boards, wooden serving boards, and hardwood cutting boards for wholesale customers worldwide. Whether you need bulk wooden cutting boards or customized products, our experienced team is ready to support your business. Every product is manufactured under strict quality control, from raw material selection to the final inspection. As an experienced wooden products manufacturer and wooden kitchenware manufacturer, we provide factory direct wooden cutting boards with consistent quality and competitive pricing. Our products are designed for durability, food safety, and everyday kitchen performance. We specialize in OEM wooden cutting boards, private label wooden cutting boards, and custom wooden cutting boards for retailers, wholesalers, and international brands. As a leading Vietnam manufacturer, we export quality wooden cutting boards to customers across North America, Europe, Australia, Japan, and many other markets. Whether you're sourcing commercial kitchen products, wholesale kitchenware, or looking for a dependable global supplier, Tan Tung Tin delivers manufacturing solutions tailored to your needs. If you're searching for a trusted wooden cutting board factory Vietnam, a professional OEM manufacturer, or a reliable wholesale supplier, we'd love to work with you. Discover why global buyers choose Tan Tung Tin as their long-term wooden cutting board manufacturer. Contact us today and start sourcing premium wholesale wooden cutting boards directly from our factory direct manufacturer from Vietnam.